Introducing FarmChem's Ag Drone BatchMate Direct, a high-flow mixing and delivery system specifically designed for ag drone applications. This system uniquely has two tanks that allows one to be used for active refilling of the drones, while the other is utilized to mix another batch of the same chemical composition. This ensures seamless tank changeover and continued applications. In addition, we listened to customer feedback and added two features. The units now come with a 1 1/4 inch AMT pump to the drone, getting up to 41 gallons per minute. We also added a 3-way valve for drawing from a hot mix tank, which gives the operator the ability to do larger hot mix batches that can be filled and drawn out of the unit. Additional features include a stainless oval gear meter for measuring water into the tanks and up to 5 products from product tanks, 1 Remco product pump and controls for up to 4 more, a 1-inch AMT pump for water filling, 2 recirculation pumps, 1 for each tank, electrical controls for up to 9 pumps, a 230-volt single-phase main cord, a 115-volt cord for the product pumps, jug rinsers for each tank, eductors for the recirculation pumps, a 3-way valve for choosing which tank is getting filled, and a 3-way valve to choose which tank is going to the drone pump. For more information or to order, call us at 800-247-1854 or go to farmchem.com.